Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. With Diwali approaching, many of us have already started decorating our homes. Every year we tend to buy new decor items, but some of them end up unused, damaged in storage, or we just don't feel like using them again. Buying new decorations every year is not practical, since they can be expensive and take up valuable storage space. In today's video, I will share creative ways to repurpose everyday household items and old Diwali decor to give your home a fresh festive look. You don't need the exact items I use. Similar ones will just work as well. First, I will show you how to create all these ideas, and then at the end, I will demonstrate how you can use them for decoration so you can get an idea of the overall look. You can easily transform your regular coasters into decorative ones for festivals with minimal effort. All you need is a beautiful gota lace. I had this one on hand, and with the help of some hot glue, I attached it around the edges of the coasters. In just a few minutes, the decorative coasters were ready. There is no need to over-decorate. Just adding the lace instantly gives them a festive look. If you have jute mats or liners at home, you can also modify them for festivals. Let me show you how I decorated this mat using a rope lace and some pom-poms. These pom-poms are easily available at fabric stores or online. For this mat, I will weave the lace into the gaps of the pattern in the center, creating a round design without even using a needle. I will repeat the process for a second round. Both rounds are ready, and now I will attach yellow and magenta pom-poms to the edges. First, I will add the yellow pom-poms, leaving a gap in between, followed by the magenta ones. And just like that, the plain jute mat is transformed into a decorative one with a minimal effort. Next, we have this simple side table lamp with a cream colored shade. Let's see how we can use it for Diwali decor. I have chosen a beautiful leaf pattern golden lace. It's not fabric but made of plastic with golden paint, giving it an elegant look. I have cut 6 equal pieces of lace matching the length of the lampshade, and now I will attach them with hot glue, evenly spaced around the shade. And that's it. Our stunning decorative lampshade is ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? You would never guess that it was a DIY project. For larger floor lamps with simple jute shades, you can also decorate them using a tassel or pom-pom lace to instantly transform their look. Now let's move on to the candles. If you have plain boring pillar candles from last year, you can easily turn them into decorative ones. All you need is a container filled with room temperature water and your favorite nail polish. Make sure the nail polish is runny and not too thick. Start by adding small drops of nail polish into the water. It will create a pattern on the surface. Next, dip the candle into the water and the pattern will stick to it, like this. Let's try the same process with another candle. Remember, this works best with runny nail polish. Once the pattern is set, place the candle upside down under a fan to dry. And there you go. Quick and easy marble printed pillar candles ready in no time. This is my first time trying this DIY, and I absolutely love how it turned out. During Diwali, we often find these small decorative diya candles, which look beautiful but usually have poor quality candles inside that don't last long. After use, instead of throwing them away, I store them in a box and reuse them the next Diwali by placing small tea light candles inside. This way I can decorate the house without having to buy costly candles again. Now let's make easy decorative diya candles at home. For this, I have used small glass bowls along with some colored rice. I prepared the rice in red, yellow and blue color by mixing kumkum, turmeric and food color. We will also need tea light candles, which are easily available in the market. Start by adding the red colored rice to the bowl, then place a tea light candle on top. Next, add the yellow rice around the candle, followed by the blue rice. Make sure to fill the rice only up to the height of the candle. And just like that, a simple decorative tea light candles are ready. When you look at them from the side, you will see a beautiful tricolor effect, which looks stunning. I will light them up and show you how they look in a while. Diwali decor feels incomplete without an urli, and the good news is you can easily create one at home. If you use earthen pots for cooking, you can double up as an urli. Just fill it with water, add some rose petals and place it wherever you like. Then drop in a few tea light candles and light them up. This gives a beautiful, elegant and rustic look to the earthen pot as an urli. If you have colorful ceramic serving bowls, you can also repurpose them as smaller urlis. For instance, I have these blue pots and I'm filling them with water and rose petals. Now I'm adding a lotus flower with an LED candle inside. And just like that, a decorative piece for my dining table is ready. You can even use glass ice cream bowls for decoration. Simply add tea light candles or flowers and they will make beautiful decorative pieces. They look stunning on tables and give the vibe of a premium tea light candle holder. We all have small ceramic containers at home, usually used for pickles or chutneys. These look quite attractive and by removing their lids, we can easily repurpose them as flower vases. I have taken some marigold flowers and attached them to wooden sticks. Inside the container, I am adding flower foam, commonly used at flower shops to hold flowers in place. Now I will insert the flower sticks one by one into the containers. The foam ensures that the sticks stay in place and don't move. Look at this. These lovely marigold flower vases are ready. I also have a larger ceramic container and I'm adding orange marigold to it. This flower vase is also ready and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the decorations we have created using regular items from home. Now let's set them up and see how they look. First, we will decorate the living room. In the center of the table, I will place the larger flower vase. On the side, I am adding the marble candles, which look absolutely stunning. Honestly, I did not expect them to turn out this beautiful. There is a side table next to the sofa where I will be placing a DIY lamp. And here is our overall Diwali look for the living room. On the shoe rack in the foyer area, I have placed this blue urli in the center and on both sides I have added these DIY tea light candles. Just look at how beautiful they look when lit, and the tricolor effect is so lovely. Now let's decorate the dining area. In the center of the dining table, I have placed the second blue urli with small flower vases on both sides. We will keep the table decor simple. If we overdo it, the elegance will be lost. On the window side, we will place these glass bowl decorative pieces and embellish the area with diya candles. Here I am first placing blue coasters and I will set the diya candles on them to make them stand out even more. And that's it. Here is the overall look of the dining area. I hope you enjoyed today's ideas. With a bit of creativity, we can decorate for Diwali using items we already have at home. If you don't want to buy new decorations this Diwali or don't have the time to shop, you can use these ideas to get your home ready for the festivities. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. Now I will see you all next week. Until then, happy organizing and wishing you all a joyful Deepavali.